Want to turn your crypto.com holdings into cold, hard AUD in your bank account? Let's break down how to withdraw your funds, step by step, so you can access your cryptocurrency profits with ease. First, open your crypto.com app and tap on the Accounts button, typically located at the bottom of your screen. This is where you'll manage all your crypto and fiat wallets. Next, select Fiat Wallet, then tap on the Withdraw button. This will initiate the process of transferring your AUD out of the crypto.com ecosystem. If you haven't already, you'll need to link your Australian bank account. Tap on Add Bank Account. Make sure the name on your bank account matches the name on your crypto.com account to avoid any issues. Enter your BSBN account number carefully. Double-check everything is correct before proceeding. Crypto.com uses secure encryption to protect your financial information. Now, enter the amount of AUD you want to withdraw. Be mindful of any displayed fees associated with the withdrawal. These fees will vary depending on your account level and withdrawal amount. Review all the withdrawal details carefully, the amount, the bank account, and the fees. Once you're satisfied, tap Confirm. You may be asked to enter your crypto.com PIN or complete two-factor authentication for security. You'll see a withdrawal request submitted. Confirmation processing times can vary, usually taking between 13 business days to appear in your bank account. You can track the status of your withdrawal by going to your transaction history. It will initially show as pending and then change to completed once the funds have been sent. And that's it. You've successfully withdrawn out from crypto.com to your bank account. Remember to always keep your account secure and be aware of any potential delays during the processing time. Now, go enjoy your funds.